Here's what we think is a set number 4605 American Flyer Pennsylvania freight set. It's led by a 310 Pacific locomotive, and it has a closed smokestack, reverse and boiler, and it's all die cast. Handrails are separate. There is a die cast tender with a hole where you normally see the smoke fill, but since this doesn't have smoke and Choo-Choo, it's not there. The 625 is the early plastic frame, so we know this set is from 1946, as the thin non-weighted couplers. And the hopper is a 632 LNE, and it's die cast, painted gray. And last is the 630 caboose in an unpainted red plastic. It's very shiny, and you'll see later in the video that it lights up very nicely.